Let me ask you something real quick. When you hear the word aging, what do you picture? Stiff joints, weak legs, needing help just to stand up. Yeah, most people think that's just how life goes. But here's the truth, and this might shock you. That future, it's not caused by age, it's caused by stopping movement, stopping challenge, stopping use. And once you hear what I'm about to show you, you'll never look at your body the same way again. Stay with me. Trust me on this. Here's what nobody tells you. Your body doesn't suddenly wear out one day. It adapts every single day. Muscles don't shrink because you're getting older. They shrink because they're bored. Joints don't lock up because of birthdays. They lock up because they stop moving through their full range. And here's the part that should give you hope. Your body can rebuild itself at almost any age. Yes, really. And I'm about to show you 3 movements, simple, ancient, science-backed, that quietly reverse the physical decline most people think is inevitable. And the first one, it looks easy, but it changes everything. The horse stance. Now hear me out. This isn't some martial arts movie pose. The horse stance is one of the most powerful lower body builders on the planet. Why? Because it forces your muscles to stay awake. Your thighs fire, your hips open, your core locks in, your posture straightens without you even thinking about it. And here's where it gets interesting. Studies on isometric leg training show massive improvements in joint stability, muscle endurance, and balance, especially as we age. Translation: stronger knees, more confident steps, lower fall risk. If you're new, start simple. Feet wider than shoulders, soft bend in the knees, chest tall, hold it for short bursts, 30 seconds, a minute. Build up to 1 to 3 minutes spread across the day. If you're more experienced, go deeper, sit into it, feel the legs shake a little. That's good. And if you're advanced, stay low. Shift side to side, add tiny pulses. 10 minutes total a day can transform how your legs feel. And here's the crazy part. After a few weeks, standing up, walking, even climbing stairs feels lighter. But don't get too comfortable, because the next movement might be even more important. The deep squat. This one might surprise you. The deep squat isn't an exercise, it's a human birthright. Babies do it naturally. Traditional cultures still use it as a resting position. But modern adults, we lose it. And when we lose it, we lose ankle mobility, hip freedom, spinal health, and eventually independence. Research shows people who can't comfortably squat have higher fall risk and lower functional ability. That's not fitness talk, that's survival talk. If you're stiff, no shame here. Grab a door frame, lift your heels on books, sit as low as you can, spend 2 to 5 minutes a day there. Intermediate, no support, chest tall, breathe. 10 to 15 minutes spread throughout the day. Advanced, explore. Wider stance, narrow stance. Shift weight side to side, 30 minutes total daily. And something magical happens. Your hips open, your knees feel smoother. Getting up from the floor stops feeling like a workout. But here's where things take a shocking turn. Mobility without stability is useless. Which brings us to the final movement. And this one protects everything. The plank. Let's clear something up. Core strength isn't about abs, it's about armor. Your core protects your spine, controls balance, prevents falls, and science backs this up. Core training reduces back pain, improves posture, and makes everyday movements safer. Planks are simple, but they don't lie. Start on your forearms and toes, ribs down, neck neutral. Hold for 15 seconds, then 30. Build slowly. Advanced, add side planks. Mix variations work toward 3 to 5 minutes total, and here's what people notice first. Standing taller, twisting feels safer, lifting things doesn't feel risky anymore, and suddenly, your body feels solid again. So let's bring this home. These aren't fitness trends, they're human non-negotiables. Horse stance builds strength from the ground up. Deep squat restores mobility and independence. Plank protects your spine and balance. Do them daily, even briefly, because movement doesn't just slow aging, believe it or not, it reverses it. Start today, not next week, not someday. Your future body is listening right now, and it will thank you for every single move you make.